We are at Milo's house. Milo's not been here that long and the garden needs a bit of work. He's had a go at trimming, but he's really struggling because the grass is incredibly long. It's actually as big as me in places. So what we're going to be doing, we need to clear all this first. This is phase one of what we're doing in this garden. So we've got quite a lot of trimming to do. We're going to work our way up here. We've got all this to trim and cut down all the way up, tidying the garden up all the way up to the top. And the lawn naturally finishes around here, where there's an area at the back which is just stones, but there's some thistles up there which are probably 6-7 foot tall with ease. So we're going to be clearing all this down today, and later on in the year we're going to be coming back and doing more things to this lawn to try and get it into something it can be proud of. Safety first. Definitely need your goggles on for this and ear defenders. Lots of stones here, and it continues all the way up and around all the sides, and same on the opposite side of the lawn as well. So we've got to be a bit careful with the trimming. At some point we're going to make some improvements down here. So it's clearing up pretty well. It's taken us about an hour, 45 minutes so far, just to trim all this down. We've just got this lot to trim and then continue tidying this, get the mower on, and then we've got the other bits to get done as well. You right, Charlie?
Bit warm.
This is the hottest day of year, isn't it? Heat wave.
Bit warm.
Yesterday was awful, today's going to be even hotter. Happy days.
Oh, happy
days. There's warm and there's warm. I mean, I like it warm, but I don't like it this warm.
Look, apple, you know. So, apple, up the nose.
What?
Apple up my nose.
It's the only thing with trimming, you get absolutely covered. Whew, but I think that looks loads better. Transformed it. Absolutely transformed it. With loads of stones in this soil. He needs to have a serious think about what he wants to do. I'm just getting the big ones up for mowing. So the first thing we're doing is we're mowing on like a highest setting to pick up the bulk of any debris. And then he'll go over once more just to give it its final finishing cut. And that's just sucking up the bulk of it and starting to tidy things up. Now I've got this patio to trim and tidy up. I'm just going to trim the bulk of it around the edges where we've got stones. I'm just going to trim short, not all the way down, because we'll end up flicking some of the stones up and I don't want to smash any of the windows. So we'll get on with that. I'll just quickly show you around the front. Now the front wasn't really included, but I'm going to do it. It won't take long, just literally going to go over with this trimmer and get that tidied up for him. And the final thing, what we're going to do, is I'm going to put some weed killer on the patio, on the stones at the back and all the way down around the front as well. And it'll just keep everything down for a few months, which is what you need when the weather's this hot. It's going to be getting up to nearly 40 degrees again today, so stay hydrated. Thanks for watching. It's made a big difference, it really has. And just needs to maintain it regularly now. We'll see you on the next one.